Ang tanay na kaibigan.
Seminars namin that we do are free. But
Masahan sa negosyo.
you are lucky that you are now entering a very positive.
Ang masapeg sa bentahan. Maraming ma-invest. Madaldal sa negosyo.
Entrepreneurship focused on really micro and small. You have to be hyper.
Moxiong Servicio. Ang mabuting kaibigan. Mabuting produkto ang handog para sa bayan at ekonomiya. Ninong TV proudly presents another action of learning the businesses of the King of Philippine Business, Ang Hariang Negosyo Henry C. At Ang Hari Ang Sales Talk Joey Concepcion. With your Denver Ninong Castro as Henry C. And a special celebrity guest Boo Boy Viller as Joey Concepcion. Mabuting kaibigan masayang ka-business partner. Studying the business lessons of Go Negosyo. With their business partner SM Investment Corporation with Henry C. and Joey Concepcion. Simulcast on Ninong TV Facebook and YouTube November 1st, 2023. Henry C. the King of Philippine Business. Only here at Ninong TV, your educational vlog show. And entertainment.
Good afternoon to all of you and what's up? And this is your Denver Ninong Castro once again. Welcome to Ninong TV, your live watching from Facebook and YouTube subscribers. Okay, parang attire lang dito hindi nyo parang mamamasyal-masyal lang sa tabi-tabi, no? And siyempre, naka-big follow ako ngayon dahil ang ating topic ngayon is more on business when it comes to color green and business, color green na business pa. So, ano nga ba ang ating naiisip sa ganyang usapan? It will be Joey Concepcion of Go Negosyo. We will have that lesson in our topic for today in our NC's The Philippine Business Shows ay mabuting kaibigan, masayang ka-business partner. So, when it comes to business partner or when it comes to a friend, no? If we are having a special friend, a good friend, a best friend, especially in business. So, sila yung mas maaasahan natin pagdating sa pag-unlad, in serving the people. In other words, it will be your marketing strategy. And a partner or a person who can help to develop the business, the program, and to endorse and to give market and to make a networking. In other words, to sustain and to develop more on your connection in making business. Okay, dahil ang topic natin ngayon is studying the business lessons of Go Negosyo with their business partner SM Investment Corporation with Henry C. and Joey Concepcion. Okay, so yun naman pala. Ang ating topic ngayon is to discover the Go Negosyo of Joey Concepcion with the connection of Henry C. in SM Investment of SM Superbonds. Okay, so ano nga bang meron sa ating Go Negosyo na magkakaroon ng partner dito sa SM Superbonds? Okay, Go Negosyo is the advocacy of the Philippine Center for Entrepreneurship or PCE. Anan, hindi ito yung danan na yung pinapanood nyo tuwing Halloween, iba yun. A as in apple, tapos nan. Anan, stop non-profit organization that advocates for a change in mindset and attitude. Oh, okay. So, yun pala yun. Non-profit organization. Ibig sabihin, Hindi naman sa lahat ng pagkakataon, puro na lang tayo pera, puro na lang tayo, diba?
Puro ka pera, puro ka negosyo. Nakalimutan mo na ang pamilya natin.
Dating-datong sa mga ganito. Siyempre, ang pinapriority dito sa Go Negosyo is a sales talk, is a business lesson, di ba? Or mentorship kung paano pag-handle ng mga negosyo or properties, di ba? So, yun ang ibig sabihin ng Go Negosyo. Hindi po yung pinapanood nyo na porket nakarinig lang ng anan, yung pinapanood nyo tuwing Halloween. Ako, alam nyo, ang Tito Henry nyo yan. Especially pagka ano na, Halloween, yung mga Toy Kingdom ko, nagbebenta na ganyan. But anyway, because we will have here is Go Negosyo Joey Concepcion. We will have a special guest to be known as Mr. Joey Concepcion. And he will be another celebrity na makakasama ng Tito Henry nyo at ng Ninong TV, of course. He came from the new Itbulaga of GMA and a former team star, and of course, sikat na sikat to ngayon sa larangan ng pagpapasaya. And he will be Mr. Buboy Villar. He will be our special guest to be rolled as Mr. Joey Concepcion. Dahil last time in our place, Ciudad, no? Kung tawagin. Last 2 years ago or 1 year, ay nagkaroon ako ng opportunity to talk to him in what is business lesson to him on how to manage and to patronize the property or the business that you have to serve the people and the economy. So you will discover here on the first line is about Go Negosyo, Joey Concepcion, and our special guest, Buboy Villar. Check it out.
Through entrepreneurship.
Herculean, well, when you try to promote an advocacy like entrepreneurship focused on really micro and small, you have to be high profile. Because in the end, it's not just negosyo or Go Negosyo. They have to see who are the people behind that movement for change and giving these small entrepreneurs a better chance. I mean, so you balance that.
And as we have more consumer spending, big business will also benefit from that because they'll be able to sell our product.
Pero teka muna, Joey. Sabi nila kasi negosyo din yan eh. Kasi daw pagka meron din naman daw bayad yung mga seminar ninyo.
Libre lahat.
Din daw eh.
Libre.
At?
Lahat ng mga seminars namin that we do are free. But if you paid 50 pesos as a women entrepreneur, you will have a free sandwich, a free soft drink, and a free ice cream. So halos may meal ka na dyan. So technically lahat ng sessions libre.
But what is your vision with Go Negosyo?
My vision is to help everybody become successful in life. And the formula for success, to be an optimist, but success is not government rollout. It is really self-driven.
What are the problems that be worried about?
Starting a business is easy. Failing is even easier. But I always say that if you have a good idea, you should be able to think through and do it. So dapat pag-aralan. Anong kagalingan mo? Are you a good cook? Kung magaling ka sa Filipino dish, baka pwedeng i-extend yan sa isang restaurant. May capital ka ba? May capital ka ba? O kung wala ka, you can borrow from your friends or mag-partnership ka. A pack.
ko para sa mga anak ko. At syempre mahirap din pagsabayan ng parents pati negosyo, pero sa una lang naman yan at mapapag-aralan pa rin naman paano yung time management. Ayan.
So, salamat po and your life po for our Sir Denver Nino Castro, kasama ko pa si Mr. Buboy Villar.
Hello.
As a parent and as a businessman, how can you manage po the business and how to
Siyempre kapag papasok tayo sa ganitong business, kailangan gustong-gusto natin. Siyempre masaya tayo sa ginagawa natin. Like sa trabaho natin, like ako, artista, enjoy ako sa ginagawa ko. Enjoy ako sa pag-acting. Ganun din sa business. Kumbaga, kailangan sa pang-araw-araw lagi kang excited kasi siyempre sa'yo yan, business mo yan. Kaya kailangan ikaw yung pinakaunang mag-support sa sarili mong business. At siyempre, parent din ako. At siyempre kailangan kong alagaan din yung sarili ko.
Okay, so you've just discovered Buboy Villar on his special slide that to be known as Mr. Joey Concepcion. And for this moment, we discover how Go Negosyo work, how they serve the people in the economy, how the sales talk is helping the nation on their special talk, no? Para lang mag-serve sa business. May matutunan ang ating mga SME, no? At ang ating mga student dyan, special shoutout, ang ating mga BSBA, kagaya ng ninang nyo, at mga ABM, no? Accountancy Business Management. So, bagay na bagay itong lesson na ito para sa inyo so that you can have a learning in handling the business and for your dreams. Diba? So, lahat naman tayo nagsisimula sa maliit. So, yung ating business, parang baby lang natin yan. We need to improve, we need to study until lalaki siya ng lalaki. Diba? Ang Tito Henry nyo, galing din yan. Nagbebenta lang din ng sapatos, young shop boy lang din noon, hanggang sa nagsikap, hanggang sa lumaki na ang aking properties. Diba? Yan ang sabi niya. You have to have a dream, whether that big or small, plan it, achieve it, hard work, diba? Okay. For the next episode is all about SM Investments. Okay, ito naman yung magiging partner mamaya ng ating mabuting kaibigan. At napakabuti talaga nito. SM Investments. So, ano nga ba to? Last time, diniscuss ko na po sa inyo, di ba? On our vlog of the, yung nagpapatay ng mga condo houses, di ba? Yung SM Investments. So, under siya doon. So, we will have here is also known as SM Group. It's a Filipino conglomerate with interest on various sectors, mostly on shopping mall development and management, retail, real estate development, banking, and tourism. Alright, so that will be SM Investment. So, ito po ang ating programa is to give you education. So what's all about SM Investment? What is other properties that SM Investment do? I think I remember this on my previous vlog. Ipinalabas ko na to sa inyo yung aking vlog na the vlog of ano ba yun? Ang dami ko na ginawang vlog the vlog of Tatang ng Maynila. Kasama yun, may SMBC doon. Tapos yung ating
12 o'clock midnight.
In the Trio Partido. Yung kasama si Villar at si Ayala. Okay, the part 1 of Trio Partido. Maraming salamat sa mga nag-remind. Naman, konting pasensya na lang your Tito Henry, marami nang iniisip, 100 plus di ba? Anyway, so ano na bang meron sa ating SM Investment? Once again, pinaka-review na lang natin to, no? Para sa ating mga student, researchers, still finding or researching about SMIC. It's also been part of my Trio Partido Part 1. And then sa mga hindi pa ganong naka-research tungkol dyan, sa mga baguhan na nanonood ngayon sa akin, and you are finding the meaning of SMIC. Ayun na po yun. Okay. So we will discover how SMIC works and what is the development that they are making to serve the people and the economy. Check it out. Okay, so thank you. We just discovered the slide of Go Negosyo and the SM Investment. So the collaboration is now on the next presentation. Ang Tito Henry nyo at si Tito Joey Concepcion. No? Hindi po De Leon. Akala niya si Joey De Leon. But it's Joey Concepcion. No? Mr. Joey Concepcion and Mr. Henry C. will collaborated. No? Para silang mag-green. Makikita nyo dito yung ating mga constituents na talagang business na business ang datingan. To serve the people and the economy. And of course, to help to rise our Philippine country, lalong-lalo na nung nagkaroon ng pandemya, anong pwedeng gawin ng ating SM groups and the Joey Concepcion's Go Negosyo. The collaboration tandem of the two business persons. Okay? And of course, I just wanted to share yung aking naging online experience. Kasi last time on my school, we experienced the Go Negosyo online class. So, on my third year college. Parang kailan lang, no? So, I experienced the Go Negosyo online. And I'm very happy kasi na virtual po ang mismong may-ari, Mr. Joey Concepcion. At syempre, dahil po mabuting kaibigan, masayang ka-business partner. Masayang ka-business partner talaga. Dahil nakasama ko po dito, si Miss Tessie C. Coson. Ang ate ng SM Super Mall ay nandito po sa ating SM and Go Negosyo tayo. And also some of the politician, celebrity na nagbigay ng learning about business. At ito, pinakamalala. Pinaka-exciting special guest na nakasama namin sa Go Negosyo. And isa siyang president, matapang, malakas. At naging movie scene natin on last June. Diba? The King of President. Meron tayong King of Business. Meron naman tayong The King of Business. Ano tawag dito? The King of President. Mr. President Rodrigo Duterte. Yeah, Duterte is here. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga naging special slide ko nung ako po ay nag-discover about Go Negosyo. Check it out.
Success in life. Many of our entrepreneurs here in the front row are successful entrepreneurs. Hopefully during the day you will get to meet them, hear them, and idolize them for the things that have brought them to that place. I never imagined that the Philippines would. You are lucky that you are now entering a very positive micro environment. But the rest is really up to you. This event for many students here is free. But it is what you do with it. It is not just texting in your phone. You won't achieve anything. But it is really listening well. Listening to the speakers, listening to the talk of Chris Aquino, Senator Crispo, and so many other forum panelists later on, that hopefully will enlighten you to your own path of success.
Success is my joy. We can do it together from your Henry. See, giving you the action of handling business and life and for progress. Now it's your turn, Joey. As my good friend and business partner, thank you.
Our objective really is to save jobs, lives, and livelihoods. The lives of people are very important, but remember, if the jobs and livelihoods are also lost, then other problems will arise from your Joey Concepcion giving you my idea on business and life. Thank you, Henry C., for a good friend in Entrep.
Okay, you've just discovered how Henry C. and Joey Concepcion do their hard work and services just to serve the people and the economy. Okay, so talagang all of the people, constituents, no? Talagang green na green. Kaya nga naka-green din ako eh. Talagang parang ano kami dito, mga mother nature kung tawagin. Pero di kami mga GM ha, kaya green man. We are on the green colors, just like naalala ko sinabi ng kaklase ko. The green kasi is a meaning of money o dollar. Kasi yun din ang isa sa pangunahing kapartner ng ating Philippine retail, yung mga dollar na yan. Diba? Kaya nga ang vlog natin, mabuting kaibigan, masayang ka-business partner. If we have the green dollars, sila yung nagsusupport dito sa ating Philippine retail. Kung walang dollar, hindi lalawak yung market natin or yung markup ng ating mga properties for the development, the projects. Kasi syempre, some of the products and services ay binibili po sa ibang bansa. Kaya kung minsan, if we have the value of Philippine peso, we are converting it to the other currency. So that, magagamit natin sila sa ating pagpapatayo ng mga infrastructure and any developments. Okay, for the next episode, we will have this the CSR. What are the CSR that Go Negosyo can help for the people and of course with the collaboration? Thank you for watching and God bless all of us. Maraming salamat po sa nanood ng Mabuting Kaibigan, Masayang Ka-Business Partner, studying the business lessons of Go Negosyo with their business partner, SM Investment Corporations, with Henry C. and Joey Concepcion. Alright? So, simulcasted on YouTube, Facebook, and also some of the particular in Instagram and TikTok account. So, subscribe na po and buy this video lang 150 pesos and 80 pesos for screen record and buy this for 3 for only 150 pesos, 3 vlogs that you wanted. Once again, thank you very much to our special guest, the celebrity from GMA Bupoy Billiard, to be rolled as Mr. Joey Concepcion. Mabuhay to all of us at maraming salamat sa panonood ng aking Ninong TV. Subscribe and watch more on our show, educational and entertainment. Bye-bye!